All right, there it is. This is the PC. I finally finished it. Like 4 different problems. I'm gonna have a bunch of videos that come from getting this PC up and running, but I just wanted to give you the update that it is up and running. I'm gonna start streaming from it. It's actually working pretty good. I've been streaming from it in Magic, and I am liking it. It's working pretty well, and I'm able to control it. It's very, very, very picky, man. That thing has been ridiculously picky, but hey, I've learned off of it. By the way, there's another stack of crap that I have for another video I have, so like, follow, subscribe, whatever the hell it takes to see what I'm doing. Come check me out.